Hello class, this is just a quick video to remind you how to navigate the online course portion of our class. As you can see, this is where you land when you click into our class. If you'd like to read announcements, you can click on the announcements page. In order to go into the modules, you'd click on the modules to the left. And what I will do is I will show you that if you scroll down, you will see everything we've done so far, and bringing us now to week 10, stress, lifestyle, and health. It's what we are currently working on this week and what you need to have prepared for our class. I've added the Zoom class that we had last Wednesday for those of you who'd like to review it or who were not able to make the class. And then moving down, these are different readings that you can complete before next class. I've also added a podcast. So if you click here, this is a podcast that I created about this week's content. And what I will also do is add a brief outline for you for this week so you know what terms to focus on. Someone had commented that it was a lot to know what to study for our test. So hopefully this can help alleviate that stress and give you a few things to focus on to make sure that you're following through each week with the basic concepts. So going back into our modules, as I said, we are looking at our week 10 assignment that is due before class, and that is here. You would just click right here and then be sure to follow the directions and read the 4 stories also that I have included. Remember, we'd be normally spending 3 hours in class plus outside readings that I'd be assigning you. So just make sure that you're taking time before class to be prepared to share your responses when we meet again on Wednesday by answering these questions. Again, we will also be talking about these 4 different articles, so please make sure you have read those as well. The podcast is a summary of some of the concepts from this week, and it's helpful if you're cleaning around the house and you want to listen to it. I'm always open also for your feedback to tell me what you thought of my podcast. Okay, I hope that you all are doing well, and I hope this video was helpful. Remember, I will be sending out an announcement just like I did previously regarding Zoom, and it's really easy. I'll send out another announcement like this, which will talk about the Zoom class, when it will start, and you will also get a link. You don't need to download anything. You should just be able to click on the link and it will look like this. So this is the area that you would click, and then you would be able to join the class via Zoom. All right, as always, let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me, and I hope you're all well, staying safe, and of course, social distancing and washing your hands.